You are going to love the 2021 CT5. The Cadillac CT5 offers a powerful engine, an upscale interior, and plenty of technology. Couple that with an exterior design that is stunning, and you have a vehicle sure to make people notice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, keyless start, floor mats, universal garage door opener, cold weather package, HD radio, front license plate bracket, tire pressure monitoring system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.